Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Makil Azri bin Azhar and today I will present about my assignment 1 vision system. Introduction. Image distortion deform and bends physically straight line and makes them appear curvy in image, which usually occurs due to optic. Intrinsic camera parameter represent the optical center and focal length of camera, which involve the internal part of camera. Three types of smartphone we are using is Huawei Mate 10 Pro, Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro, and Acer Zen 4. Objective to investigate and solve vision system problem using technique and concept of vision system engineering. To analyze vision system problem using technique and concept of vision system engineering. And last, to demonstrate the importance of vision system in current technology trend for sustainable development. Methodology. Start. Use toolbox calibration for MATLAB and insert picture. Extract grid corners. Calibrate. Show extrinsic. Analyze error. Undistorted image. And end. Simulation result and analysis for part 1. For our result. Part 1. Camera centric and word centric. Calibration result and error. And last is image undistorted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Conclusion. Vision system problem was investigated and solved by using technique and concept of vision system engineering. Vision system problem was analyzed by using technique and concept of vision system engineering. The importance of vision system in current technology trend for sustainable development was demonstrated. The result for intrinsic and distortion coefficient was obtained and analyzed by using 3 different smartphones. That's all from us. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Azhar Jazi, metric number DE180138, and I'm from Group 1. Okay, for the task 1, we are given the checkerboard, and we need each of member in group. We need to snap minimum time different angle from different angle of the checkerboard, which is this one, and after that we need to do a calibration process using MATLAB. So right, first step is we need to Google for contact camera calibration and just click. Then we download page, and so for me, I already downloaded and save in D. So this is my file toolbox calypso, and we just click. Then we paste the picture that we want to do calibration. Alright, then next we open the MATLAB software, and we click this button, this, and we select the toolbox calypso and select folder. So as we can see here, the current folder, which is the toolbox calypso toolbox. So this is the picture that we want to do calibration, 1 until 10 picture, and at the command window we type the calip GUI. Then we select the standard. After that we click the image name, and we can see here baseline camera calibration image. So we just we just insert or write the base name, which is for this one, color. So color. Then after that, image format. Image format, we just JPEGs, and you can see here loading image 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Alright, then this figure will be appear, and after that we need to extract grid corner. Just click extract grid corner, and then as you can see, number of image to process, we just click enter, and just click enter once again, and just click enter. Alright, so as you can see here, processing image for image number 1. So we just do the grid corner. We just click at the corner of the checkerbox, and after we done it, we just click enter at here. Let me do it, common window, we just click enter, just enter corner section. Alright, after we done extract all the corner, and we can see here processing image number 10. So after we done it, we click the calibration, right? So it will be appear the calibration parameter, and for the focal length, alright, for the focal length, principal point, screw distortion, pixel error, and all this information will be appear after we click calibration and after we extract grid corner. So after that we click and show Intrinsic, and alright, for Intrinsic parameter camera center, and we can see here this is the object, which is checkerboard, and this the angle of the camera angle, right? So so we can switch to the world center view, and alright, so this is view for from the world center view. Alright, and the yellow plus green one, this actually the camera position or camera angle. Alright, alright, after that we click analysis error, and we can see here this is the projection error in pixel. Right, next we can do undistorted image. Just click here, and we can see here, just click enter. Alright, after we done undistorted all the image, 10 image, and it will be saved um, on it will be saved at toolbox calypso, and we can see here this is undistorted image for image number 1, image number 2, and oh sorry, and all this color red means that undistorted image. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asif bin Muhammad Anwar, with my metric number is DE180113. So let's move straight to the point of our task that are given x times 6 checkerboard with 25mm dimension. So we are needed to, using the checkerboard and camera calibration software, we are needed to determine the intrinsic and distortion coefficient of each member smartphone. So this is our checkerboard of x times 6 of checkerboard. Let's move to the calibration software that I use is only MATLAB simulation. For the first step, we are needed to extract the file here that we have downloaded before. Okay, in the command window, we are needed to type calib underscore GUI and press enter. Okay, as we can see this, click on the standard and image names. Okay. Here we use command of our base name. It is color. We put here color. Press enter, and our image format is in JPG format. Type JPG. Press enter. That's our image to be loading. Okay, as we can see here, the command of extraction of the grid corners on the image will be appeared because I had hit into the extract grid corners. At this command, we just click the enter and enter until it appear the processing image 1, and the feature of 2 will be appeared. Let's enlarge it first. So at this step, we just need to put a click on the corner of our checkerboard here, 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 and here. Let's take a look on our command. What will happen? This will be appeared. This command will be appeared. Okay, after that, we will see the processing of image 2, which is fidget 3, will be appeared here, and fidget 2 will be appeared like this. And for our cases, we are needed to select the corner of the checkerboard until the image of 10. After that, just click enter. Okay, after we have done all of the pointing, clicking to the edge of the checkerboard, we click to the calibration. And just wait to take a moment till the process is finished. So as we can see, after we click the calibration button, we will see the focal length, principal point, skew, distortion, and pixel error, and also the note. So after that, we need to click to the show extrinsic. Okay, here appeared as we can see here. Okay, as we can see, this is the object of the checkerboard. So this is the view of extrinsic parameters camera centered. Let's switch to the word centered view. Okay, this is the word centered view, as we can see here. After that, we click to the analyze error. So this is the reprojection error in pixel. After that, click undistort image. So here it will be appeared here, the command. So after we click the undistort image, you see here, just click enter and take a moment to wait for it. Okay, after we have done it all, it's an error, and after it put the we want to undistort all the calibration image, we just click enter, and after that the all undistorted image will be.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azri bin Azhar, and today I will present about my assignment 1, and I will using MATLAB for calibration. For assignment 1, we required to perform the calibration for each phone for 10 picture. And so I using my phone model is Xiaomi Poco S3 Pro for the calibration. So the picture for the calibration, this is picture for the calibration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10 picture that I choose for the from the my phone to calibrate. And the result for calibration parameter after initialization is focal length, principal points, skew, and distortion. And then I get the result for extrinsic parameter, word center, and another one is extrinsic parameter for camera center. And for the error, this is I get from the calibration. And lastly, the undistorted image that I get from the calibration. This is the image. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's all the result I get from the calibration by using my phone Xiaomi Poco S3. That's all from me. Thank you.